Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an English vocabulary quiz super simply using AI in 2 minutes. I want an English vocabulary quiz of progressive difficulty. Let's see how clever it is. I asked for 5 questions and they'll give me a video shortly and then we'll also post it to YouTube. Nice, okay, so it's ready. Let's go ahead and hear it.
It means very interesting.
Okay, nice. Captivating.
Synonym for ubiquitous.
Okay, we can see it's becoming more and more difficult. And I like the images. They're kind of, reminiscent of real world things like New York. I would like to maybe change it here, the cover. Gonna give it this kind of a look. Actually, it seems like the wording is a bit too large. Okay, good. So we're ready to post. So let's call this, actually let's call it a English vocabulary quiz. Good. Takes about 30 seconds to make this, and then we'll be able to post it directly to the YouTube account. Okay, great. So we're ready to post. I'm gonna go and just hit the upload. And 3, 2, 1. There we go. Uploaded.